Assalamu alaikum. How pleasant it would be if the cell phone in your hand could make you earn online. Is it possible? Yes, it is. And how can you earn online using your mobile phone? This is what we are going to learn in this video. My name is Bilal. If you are interested in doing online earning, you can subscribe to this channel. Do press the bell icon as well. So, let's get started. Basically, when you get the concept of earning with your mobile phone in your mind, you may think that maybe it's some sort of typing or watching ads, that I just have to do a little bit of work and I will get money with it. So, all this is fraud. Many videos are available on YouTube in which they tell about applications from which you can earn 300 rupees daily, or tell about other apps to do stuff with. All this is fraud. I'm telling you again, right? Don't believe in them. If you want to earn, one platform is that the phone you are watching this video on. Start making your videos on it. You can make a YouTube channel with your mobile and can earn from it. This is without investment. Next, I will tell you about investment. That's why I make these videos, because I am also earning from it in real. It's not that we make videos here without earning. If you also want to earn, it's very simple, not so complex, so you can watch them on this channel. Right? How to make a YouTube channel, etc. Now, let me tell you one thing more. You don't have to spend even a penny on YouTube for anything. Just talent, or you can say that you should have knowledge, then you can earn from it. This is a straightforward method and also very difficult for some people who have insufficient knowledge about the text. Now, what the second method is about investment, I am doing that also. I am using it myself and telling you also that is Binance, right, which we call cryptocurrency. Now, I have opened the Binance application here on mobile. You can get this application from Play Store, right? Come on Play Store. After being on Play Store, what you have to write is simply Binance. As you write Binance, you will find this app on the Play Store. Let us open this. After opening, if you will see my investment here, you guys will get to know that I have invested $241 in it right here. And now, which coins do I have? I have told this in my previous video as well. Ship and all these coins that are visible right here, these are the coins that I have bought. Right? What happens here is you have to invest here. That investment which you think it doesn't remain, you don't get any issue. You should not invest your parents' money carelessly. You have to invest that money here which you think are extra. If you get profit in it, well and good. If not, there can be losses also. This is about it, depending upon how much knowledge do you have about crypto. Learn a little about it first. When you will understand, you can start then. So, I have also invested in it. That is why I am recommending you this. This is real. There can be no fraud with you here. Crypto is real now. Many people tell you that goes for downloading it, and after you download the application and after that click here and there and do little things and you will start earning. All this is fake. Now, the two methods I have told you. I am available on Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Keep good care of yourselves. Smile. Allah Hafiz.